The crystal ball of people. So
a problem. My force Sean Paul a shell one place. A problem. My force say Shaggy pull out the third biggest crowd for a particular event. A problem.
Me true now, viewers. This is a natural look with our hair. You understand? You see no problem with this way.
Why you'd have to?
Dennis, listen. When children are going to school, my granny and Tanisha granny and my granny would have said this: a child must eat a child's dinner. You're going to school, it is not a fact.
Yo, Nation, we're going to say about AJ back in the building with another episode. Before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Watch that video. Yeah. Nation, St. Andrew High School in Jamaica is making a way for instituting a no-edge ear policy. Social media users have much to say after all the girl institution posted it as an announcement. The school posted a message in Instagram informing students and parents of its new rule. They expressly forbid popular hairstyles, slick hair intricately designed around the edges of the forehead and the temple. The school asserted the style was not neat or school ready. Look, they also stressed that appearing published without the trendy style was a way of upholding standards. So Nation, on the term, when you think about this, what St. Andrew Girls School doing, you know what I mean? This make not just a big wave in Jamaica, but a big wave internationally. Because we can see a couple news media or even a report on this. So Nation, on the term, when you think about this, if the principal going too hard on his students, or it's just the rules for the school, so students should just follow the rules and all that. But me and the take on it, I don't think there's a problem with it, because if that's what the school bring up for a new rule, you have to just follow it. So Nation, we can see where a mother video her daughter coming back home from school saying that teacher lock her out because her hairstyle. We're gonna take a look at this, and also we can see where Miss Kitty her opinion on this situation in the school system. So tell me your thoughts on this.
Me true now, viewers. This is a natural look with our hair. You understand? You see no problem with this way. Yellows High School, I go send back home the child for that hairstyle. More be honest. Nothing wrong.
Why you'd have to?
Dennis, listen. When children are going to school, my granny and Tanisha granny and my granny would have said this: a child must eat a child's dinner. You're going to school, it is not a fashion show. I don't want any distractions, and children should look like children. I don't want you to come in here look like any taffy ram. I don't want you to come in here with any distraction. I don't want any valance. Back in the day, when you would have a little baby here, we used to use Nita, what you call a tail comb. I just barely make a one something so, make a one something so. You see this parting out half of your hair front and pasting it down, and then the styling gel, and it looks white and flaky. It does not look proper. It does not look appropriate. And so I am with the principal. Listen, there are rules in hell, because if you're good, you cannot go there. When you go to the United States Embassy, and they have certain criteria,
You just fall in line. You just fall in line, you don't question it.
Nita, the way the people them fall in line, y'all left your phone with that stranger out the road.
Yes.
You don't even know if you come back, come see them. But big ups to the people over standpipe, ever hype, floss buckle down a crate. They always, you know, stand guard, right?
Yeah.
But when you go to the embassy, it says you don't carry certain things. You can't carry a pen. You can't carry this. You can't carry that. And nobody complains. St. Andrew High School and the parents, you know, because the principals would have communicated the rules. Follow the rules. If you don't want your child to follow the rule, you can always do homeschool. So that way, they could just...
Sean, on tell me your thoughts on what Miss Kitty has said. If your child can't follow the school rules, they just stay home or do homeschool for them kids, cause rules are rules. Cause when them want to fly out if you go to America, they go to embassy, them happy if you follow a rule them time. But on tell me your thoughts on this. Now we can see where dancehall star Squash has pleaded guilty in his firearm possession case in South Florida. The Montego Bay DJ returned to the court on Friday, September 5, where he formally entered in his plea in exchange for a reduced sentence. You see me, I say, according to the court documents, Squash, whose real name is Andre Morris Whitaker, pleaded guilty to one count of being an illegal alien in possession of a firearm or ammunition. In exchange for his guilty plea, prosecutor asked the court to dismiss the charge of possession of an automatic weapon. Federal prosecution also asked the court to grant him an reduced sentence in exchange for saving justice system time and resource. Squash is facing a maximum of 15 years in prison for a firearm and ammunition possession charge. However, it will be up to the judge to determine his sentence. He's ordered to pay a US $100 special assignment fee and his sentence date. Additional to the judge could also impose a $250,000 fine. Squash also waives his right to contest the case by pleading guilty, even if the judge decides not to honor the prosecutor's request for the reduced sentence. Additionally, the plea deal will be declared void if he fails to make a full disclosure to the court, lies to the government, or commit another crime before his sentence. Shan, when you think about Squash situation, you see me, I say me myself, me feel sorry for Squash because right now Squash career could end up on a large level right now, larger than large, but you know situation happen and the man them decide to take a different route. But Squash sentence date has not set as yet, so we still are wait for that in him case and them thing there. But let me know in a comment. Foota hype come out a state of war and the Gaza fans them say everything him do, the Gaza fans them think say a VYBZ Kartel him a do it for this and all that. Him talk about Yellow Man and he also post a video about the Shaggy concert and all that, and the Gaza fans them get mad. Which some Gaza fans that say Foota hype only a do this because he mad about Aishana and VYBZ Kartel and Scatter are running place right now. So Foota hype not like that and him now give VYBZ Kartel a credit. Him a try take away credit from VYBZ Kartel, make him come and attack. So we are gonna take a listen to what Foota hype have to say about this.
A problem. My force Sean Paul a shell one place. A problem. My force say Shaggy pull out the third biggest crowd for a particular event. A problem. You don't see me a walk a cuss when nobody post for them artists with them like I do great things. I whole heap of artists I do great things. Me never see them blogger here or them social media people here post Charlie Blacks and say, oh, the little youth here from down a sentence, sell gold. Him not a big entourage, him name never in a mix up yet. Him not get none of drama, him do the thing the right way and sell gold. Or him not get no glory for that. Cranium do one of the biggest thing. Stay foreign and boss as a dancehall artist from New York. Him sell till him sell gold. Big thing that never been done. That are history. Him not get none of trouble. Him not none of drama. Him not none of mix up. And him sell gold by himself. Big thing that. Giant thing that. Me not hear nobody give him no props and nothing at all. See him? So, woulda like know how really are going. If when you do good and do things the right way, you not get no credit. Me say Egyptian, our youth, Portmore artist, Egyptian sell gold. Nobody na give no glory. Nobody na give no credit and say Egyptian do it big. So why when me highlight artists, when me say I do good, when me feel forget some glory, a problem, me not compare them to nobody, nothing, me just give them little glory. So what happen? James, you know that, man.
So nation, I want to think about the situation with Foota hype and VYBZ Kartel. It's like them say Foota hype I carry feelings of VYBZ Kartel and I try disregard VYBZ Kartel saying no it shows. Speaking of VYBZ Kartel and Shaggy, those are two big acts in a dancehall, and we can say we are at this point we don't give VYBZ Kartel the win for this one over Shaggy, because VYBZ Kartel are sell out back-to-back show like 23,000, 20,000, 30,000 people back to back, because right now it's like we're not put VYBZ Kartel and Shaggy to compare. We can't do that right now a new time, and if Shaggy and VYBZ Kartel if you have a concert back to back right now, got all of VYBZ Kartel concert back to back, I go full out. You see me I say, and the price where VYBZ Kartel charge and the same price Shaggy they charge we do for him concert. So what VYBZ Kartel are do right now is legendary thing for dancer and Jamaican. Again, big up VYBZ Kartel and big up Shaggy, two big acts in a dancer. But don't tell me to think about this my opinion, what me say about VYBZ Kartel in a league over Shaggy right now. And if you disagree, let me know in that comment box. We can argue about that, or we can even elaborate more about that.
You ready? Put up the hand. We live fully roughness. Every bad man and every roughness. I agree with you about this. But something clear for the roughness. Yeah. You look better than this. Can I bring up in the animal who's a roughness? We have the Africans bring a roughness. Make them put something in a roughness. Cancer. On the man. Cancer. Double sleep on me. If I never love some princess, and your man didn't know that serious, and you never feel like it is best. You are the father's. God, I love you, and I love you, life. Never miss. God, I love you, and I love you, life. Never miss. God, I love you, and I love you, life. Never miss. Look. Why did you do? I said you give me a boy to do. This is a girl that we might see a bit. Sweet something like it was a birthday of this. This is these are men when that's birthday of this. Your last man met your birthday of this. Your last look at me with your birthday of this. Come in on the yard, girl, a birthday of this. And guess what? That's how birthday of this. What? Every love in your life, never less who goes. God, I love you, and I love you, life, never less. God, I love you, and I love you, life, never less who goes. God, I love you, and I love you, life. Get it done! Yeah. It's getting hot. And my ladies, you're making me sweat.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch, big up everybody we are share. It is me I say, me appreciate you all on, you know what I mean. Until next time guys, we out.